Mishimelon.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look, it's a kitten. Let's help him get to the top. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 2, 1,
Kitties,
2,
amazing.
3,
Wow.
4. Great job! The kitten is at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, there's one more. Let's help him too. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! The kitten is at the top.
Oh, kitties.
1, 2, 3, 4. This little sheep needs to climb to the very top. Let's help her. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The sheep successfully reached the top. All thanks to you. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's help the next sheep. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sheep successfully reached the top. All thanks to you. The fashion designer prepared some accessories for the kittens. He needs 3 kittens to try them on. Add 3 kittens to the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems that there are more items than necessary. 3. Wow! What beautiful bows! Now he needs 4 kittens to try on the accessories. Add 4 kittens to the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. The kittens look cute in these accessories. Great job! What happened here? Let's make this turkey a bit happier. Color the picture by matching the shades. These colors work so well. You're so good at this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This cat wants to climb high. Try to help it. Arrange the pillars in the correct order.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yay! The cat has reached the goal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Here's another task. Let's see if the cat can reach the top this time. Arrange the pillars in the correct order.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wonderful! The cat is upstairs again. You're doing very well.
Amazing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This little cow needs to climb to the very top. Let's help her. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The cow successfully reached the top. All thanks to you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's help the next cow. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The cow successfully reached the top. All thanks to you.
Wow, kiddies!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, it's a pig. Let's help him get to the top. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! The pig is at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, there's one more. Let's help him too. Arrange the pillars in the correct order. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job! The pig is at the top.
Amazing! Ooh!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This dog wants to climb high up. Try to help it. You need to arrange the columns in the correct order, and the dog can start. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! The dog has reached the goal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another task. Let's see if the dog can reach the top this time. You need to arrange the columns in the correct order, and the dog can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wonderful! The dog is upstairs again. You're doing fine. I wonder what the picture is. Let's move the pieces of the painting to their places. Wow! It is the farm with animals.
Bimmy wants to find some sheep. Can you help Bimmy find a place with the same number of sheep as in the cloud above his head? 2.
Good job.
6. That's right. You're doing great. 5.
You're doing amazing.
7. That's right. You're doing great. 3.
Yoo-hoo! Great job!
Awesome work. You're so smart.
The baby animals have run all around the place. Help the mommies find their babies. Drag the baby animal to the mommy. Here are some more baby animals. Drag the babies to the mommies. You did it! Keep it up. Naughty cats are hiding from the farmer. Let's catch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Uncle Frank is looking for his farm animals. Pick the animal that makes that sound. It's the cow. Pick the animal that makes that sound. Correct. It's the sheep. Now, pick the animal that makes that sound. Oh, it's the chicken. You gathered all the animals. Well done. Uncle Frank needs your help. Pick the animal that gives milk. That's right. It's the cow. Pick the animal that gives wool. That's right. It's the sheep. Pick the animal that gives eggs. Well done. It's the chicken. You're doing great. It's time to go to bed. Are all the animals here? Is the cow here? Great work! Where's the sheep? That is correct! Are the chickens back? It looks like everyone is here. Well done! Ooh, so many sound bubbles. Choose the animal that makes that sound. What was that sound? Yes, it was a duck. What does that sound like? It's a cat! Yay! What about that sound? It was a dog! Hooray! You gathered all the animals. Well done!